Yo, hello everyone, and welcome back to a brand new video. In today's tutorial, guys, I'm going to show you how to add Mailchimp sign up form to your website. First of all, we need to create a sign up form. So to do so, I'm going to go ahead and open my Mailchimp.com and click on create. By clicking on here, I will find the sign up form right over there, and I'm going to embed it form. This embedded form would allow us to get an HTML code that could be pasted in our website. So this is what I'm going to do, and I'm going to give it a name. So HTML code sign up, and I'm going to go ahead and click on begin. After I have done that, this is the form that we have. I could go and add some fields. So from here, I could add these things, and once I have done that, I think this is enough. Then I can go back and go to settings. For example, here I can change the width of each of these form. So I'm going to do, for example, 300, 500, or even 1000. So it depends on your website. So I'm going to keep it as 500 as an example. Here, if I want to remove CSS style, it would look ugly, but preferably I would keep it like this. Here for the tags, this is like works as an ECO, so we don't really need them for now. And here for badge doesn't really matter. It's just like the Institute with Mailchimp. This is like the logo of Mailchimp. In case you had the premium version, this will not be shown on your pop-up, but in my case, it will be shown. So I'm gonna just keep it up and then click on continue, and here it is. This is the code. So now simply copy it and go to your website and paste it right in your HTML code within your site code. So that was it for today's video, guys. Thank you all for watching, and see you guys in the next video.